Hello friends, I'm Dr. Indiva Mishra from Bhala Netra Super Speciality Eye Hospital, Mumbai. So I'll be telling you a little something about allergy eye diseases. Allergy is something which every individual experiences at least once in his lifetime. And when this same allergy affects your eyes, it is called as allergic eye disease. Now allergic eye disease is a broad term. It encompasses a variety of other subdivisions of allergies, like vernal keratoconjunctivitis, seasonal conjunctivitis. A well-qualified eye surgeon will be able to tell you the difference. Usually allergy is seasonal. Every winter, every autumn or every spring, a patient might experience itchiness, redness and watering of eyes. Usually the itching part is first which appears, followed by redness and then watering of eyes. Allergy cannot be cured, it can just be controlled. So remember, this thing is going to be there with you for quite some time. Don't think that any kind of medication would be able to cure your allergy. The foremost and the front line of treatment in allergy is always going to be steroids. Once the allergy is brought down to a particular level, then the other supportive medications can be added to maintain that level for a long duration. Hence, do not be afraid if your doctor or your eye surgeon is prescribing steroids to your son or your daughter. Previously, the boys were the ones who were more affected because of their extrovert and outdoor activities, because they were exposed to a lot of pollutants and dust. But not anymore, because even the girls are having a change in their lifestyle. Hence, in our practice, we are seeing both the genders being equally affected now. It is always better to control the allergy once it starts. Do not wait for it to grow, because once it grows, then the variety of medications which we have for controlling it decreases. You might actually require very strong medications to decrease the severity of the allergy. Simple methods such as cleaning of the eyes at least twice or thrice a day with cold tap water is enough to reduce the severity of the disease in the initial phases. Ice fomentation, applying ice cubes over the eye in a rotatory fashion twice or thrice a day, can reduce the severity of the disease by almost 50%. It can also decrease your dependency on the medications. These simple methods, once employed even in your normal daily routine lifestyle, can help decrease the eye fatigueness. Always consult a proper qualified eye surgeon before starting any medications, because allergic patients tend to get tired and they start abusing the medications in the attempt to get instant relief. Do remember this thing. The medications, if abused, can cause long-term complications such as glaucoma and cataract in your eyes. And if the allergy is not kept under control, can cause dry eyes and a bad ocular surface, which eventually will give you decreased vision once you grow older. So a proper balance has to be struck, which can be done by your eye surgeon. I hope I have been able to throw some light over this seemingly harmless but yet very common disease of the eye. Thank you.